Hello my viewers, welcome to Uga Social Academy. Today let me give you information and a brief introduction related to the subject called as mathematics. Class 10 standard. The subject mathematics, which has been divided into two parts with the number of subtopics. As exams are very near to us, so keeping that in our mind, we must and should know, being as a student, we must and should know that each topic is having how much of weightage for the exam. If we understand regarding the weightage, we can easily make our subject more and more easy. We can focus on particular related to on the basis of the marks which are been allotted or the chapter that consists that much of weightage. Which consists more weightage, we will give more importance, which consists less weightage, little bit less importance. But it will make us very easy to focus on that subject. Now for example, if one topic consists of 10 marks and other topic consists of 2 marks, then we can give our more attention towards the 10 marks because we are in need of scoring more and more marks. So when we able to know regarding the chapter wise marks weightage, easily it will help us in the way in the preparation of preparation of our annual exams or our midterm exams. So almost in your schools 50% of the syllabus has been over. Here in my topic I have brought all together 80 marks mathematics subject, and each topic consists of how much of marks. On the base of that you can easily divide for your midterm exam also. Okay, so let us get to know that how many topics are being given in our subject called as a mathematics, and in that subject every topic consists of how many marks of its weightage. Okay, so be with me. So up to the end of and at the after the knowing the weightage of the marks of each particular topic, even I will say you that regarding the exam pattern 80 marks. How many MCQ, how many 1 marks, how many 2 marks, how many 3, how many 4 is equal to 80. Even that will be also said to you. So be with me for up to the whole video. Then only you can clearly understand regarding the subject called as mathematics, and it will help you for your making of your own preparation without depending on any of the other, even on your tuitions or even in the schools also. You can prepare with your own proper mind setup. So here we are having, let us go. So total mathematics, it consists of 14 subtopics. Okay, part 1, part 2. Here 14 topics are there. So the topic which begins with the chapter called as a triangles. So here with the blue mark, with the black mark I have written the chapter name, and with the blue mark it is nothing but the chapter, how much marks it weightage it is. So triangle, it is of 8 marks. Pair of linear equation in two variables, again 8 marks. Surface areas and volumes, 7 marks. Statistics, 6 marks. Quadratic equations, ask for the 6 marks. Polynomials, 6 marks. Arithmetic progression, 6 marks. Introduction to trigonometry, 5 marks. Construction, 5 marks. Coordinate geometry, 5 marks. Real numbers, 4 marks. Some application of trigonometry, again 4. Probability, 3. Area related to circles, 3. In this form, what is been done, our all the chapters are being divided on the basis of their weightage. If you go through this, among all the 14 chapters, first 3 topics, triangles, pair of linear equation and surface area and volumes, 8, 8, 7. Almost near to 22 marks only and only we will get from the where, from these 3 chapters. Rest all 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, and very least it is from the probability and from the area related to the circles. On the basis of what the marks are being allotted. Okay, now purpose is what it is that to bring you this video, it to make you to know regarding which chapter should be stressed more, which chapter should be stressed more, because every one of our aim is what, to take more and more marks. we would like to take out of what? If it is of 80 marks, try our best to take off the 80 marks, but this can be made very easily when we know regarding the weightage. Otherwise, if from the first page to the last page, if you go on working on that, then it becomes very tough, and sometimes it feels burden to while working on the subject. So which sometimes this burden word makes us to what? To be away from our practice, our hard work, and from our subject. So to make it easy, the best solution is what? To know regarding the weightage of the marks of that particular lesson. If we know that, then on the basis of that, what we can do? We can go through that particular topic. Moreover, after that, we should know regarding the pattern also, that what type of pattern is been given or decided by the Karnataka Board Examination Department related to the subject called as a mathematics. You can take a very snap of it, which will help you to know regarding the number of chapters and even all the regarding the number of marks which have been allotted from the chapter. Okay, now hope you have taken the snap. Now let me go with the which one? With the regarding how many mathematics subject it consists of, how many marks and how the marks are being divided. Okay, so we very well know that the mathematics subject, in that also 1 marks in the form of MCQ will be asked. 1 marks in the form of MCQ will be asked. Then again in the form of 1 mark as a one sentence. Then in the form of 2 marks as a again calculations. 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 up to 4 marks. What we will see? We will see the calculation of each one of the particular chapters. Okay. Now in what form it is being given? So here it's a subject pattern. It is being given. It's a total how many marks? It's a total marks is what? 80 plus 20 will be what? Your internal marks will be. So which will convert into the form of 100 marks. Okay, which will convert into the form of how many marks? 100 marks it is. So here how it is being given? First MCQ, which is called as a multiple choice questions, where 4 options will be given to you. Among that 4 options, the question which is been given, in that 4 options, the answer will be there. You have to find out. So here MCQ, how many will be there? There will be 8 MCQ will be there. How many? 8 MCQ. Okay. So 8 MCQ. Each consists of 1 mark. So 8 into 1 is equal to how many marks? 8 marks. 8 MCQ of 1, each consists of 1 mark. How many marks it is? 8 marks it is. Then comes related to the 1 mark. Then which one it is? It's related to the 1 mark. Again here 1 mark, again 8 questions. Okay. How many questions? 8 questions. And each question carries of how many marks? 1 marks. Again how many it is? 8 marks. MCQ, 8 questions, each carry 1 mark is equal to 8. 1 mark, 8 questions, each carries 1 mark. Again 8 into 1 is equal to how many? 8. Now next comes with related to the 2 mark now. How many? 2 marks question it is. Okay. So nature when we say 2 marks, it will be of 2 marks question it will be there. And how much again in here? It is again 8 questions will be asked. 8 question for how many? 2 marks. Into 2 if we do. Into 2 if we do. Total how many now? 16 marks. Total how many? 16 marks will be there. 8 2 marks questions into 2. Each question carries of 2 marks. Now it's a 3 mark question now. Okay. Total 9 questions will be asked. Total how many? 9 questions. It's of once again of 3 mark. So 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 3 is equal to means 9 questions. Each question carrying how many marks? 3 marks. So total 9 into 3 when we do, we will get a 27 marks. Now it's about the 4 marks question now. It's a long question. It's a long question it is. So here how many questions will be asked? 4 questions will be asked. It's of 4 mark. Okay, how many questions will be asked? Four questions will be asked, and each question carrying of 4 marks. 4 marks. Each question carrying how many marks? 4 marks is equal to 4 4s are 16. Okay. See here I will write Q. Okay. How many questions? 8 questions. How many questions? 8. How many again? 8. How many? 9. How many? 4. Okay. Or if you are if you are getting the confused, no need to write Q. You can understand easily. Okay. How many are there? There are 8 MCQ, 8 1 mark, 8 2 mark, 9 3 marks, and 4 4 marks. And the last question will be of 5 mark. Will be of how many? 5 mark. One question will be there. For how many mark? 5 mark. Into 5 is equal to 5. Into 5 is equal to 5, which is called as a long question. Okay. And when we plus, how much we will get? We will get 80 marks. How much we will get? We will get 80 marks. Right? So again I will repeat. The first one is what? MCQ, multiple choice question. 8 questions will be asked. Okay. How many marks? Each carries 1 mark. 8. 8 again 1 marks question. Each carries 1 mark. 8. Again 8 questions for the 2 marks carries 16. 9 questions for the 3 marks is equal to 27. 4 questions each of 4 marks is equal to 16. 1 question for the 5 marks is equal to 5. Total 80. So this is what, on the base of this, our question paper will be prepared. Okay, it's related to the Karnataka state syllabus, mathematics subject. Same form we will see the science, but science will be divided in the form of physics, chemistry as well as biology, which I have already uploaded. So you can go through the science subject also. Now this is purely related to the mathematics. So here we got to know that in the mathematics, each topic, 14 chapters which are being given, each topic consists of how much of weightage of the marks. On the basis of that, question paper will be prepared. Keep this in the mind here. The question paper will not too hard nor too easy. The question paper will be prepared on the basis of your understanding, on the basis of your knowledge, on the basis of your skill, on the basis of your applications, right? Somewhat little bit more thinking capable and related to passing also. Keeping that in the mind, the question paper is being prepared. So this is the proper pattern of mathematics which is being asked regularly in this form itself in the annual exam also, and even in the midterm, which soon you are going to appear for that. Okay, so this was all related to the subject called as a mathematics. Further in my videos I will come with core subject called as a social science. Even regarding that also, what we are going to do, we are going to learn and we are going to understand. Okay, so the core subjects are most important. So we should not leave behind, keeping in the mind the core subjects are very tough. Dear viewers, dear students, if you properly go according to the chapter wise division of the marks, it will become very easy for the preparation of your annual exam. And even in this also, I am going to come up with which are those important questions which can be asked in your mathematics subject also. Okay, further more videos will be uploaded regarding that, and even the videos will be uploaded regarding the preparation of the exams, in what way we should prepare our exam, how we should do the study to make ourselves to score good to good marks and make our future to be very bright. So hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.